Hello viewers, let's get started another video here in my YouTube channel. And today my topic is the understanding Bartol data room. How to understanding Bartol data room in 2023. And today my best topic is how to understanding Bartol data room software. And I'm introduce this video and this Bartol data room have increasingly replaced the physical data room traditionally. Increase the virtual data room software traditionally and use the disclose and share documents. Use and disclose the share documents with the globalization of business. Globalization of business and the increased security to create cost. Security to reduce cost. Virtual data room are an attractive and alternative to physical data room. Attractive and alternative the physical virtual data room and the physical data room and the security concern growth. Security concern growth and the incidents with the braces increase. BDR's project are developing more sophisticated and reliable database.
দেখা লাগে না ওইখানে দেখ
না টান দিয়ে না and the seeker concern grow and instead of the braces increase. Braces increase the BDR providers are developing more the sophisticated and reliable database. A reliable database and the initial public offering IPOS. IPOS means initial public offering. Initial public offering in IPOS in the initial public offering. Auditing operations and the partnership with other business that must work jointly and share information will be virtual data room. Understanding by how to understand virtual data room, and this video is the virtual data room have the increasingly replaced physical data room and traditionally used the discourse and share documents. With the globalization of business and the increase the security, the raw cost, and the virtual data room and attractive and alternative of the physical data room. Virtual data means the way is accessible of the immediately available and more than secure. And guys, I hope this video is very wonderful and is a knowledgeable video. This is, and thank you so much. Please like, comment, share this video. Thank you.